I've been coming here since I was about 5 years old, and I walked through the door down the hall there and seeing an animal that size, it really had a huge effect on me, and I know that's true for many people. There aren't a lot of organizations that have the talent and capacity to do this kind of work. These mounts that we're taking care of are both scientifically really valuable, but also historically important. And so taking them apart has to be done really carefully by people who absolutely know what to expect. And because RCI has worked on so many projects like this, they're just total pros about it.
Okay, that's it. Each skeleton comes apart slightly different. There's a lot of similarities between this and other ones we've done, but every time we always find something new. There's something else holding it. One of the new things is everything's plastered together here. And it doesn't mean it hasn't happened in the past, but they're really plastered together. It makes it a little bit more difficult because you have to be careful when you separate it off the steel. You try and chip the plaster, and you have to do it without breaking bone.
It's not just the size or the number of the fossils, it's the fact that they also get the artistry that's involved here too, because you're having to think about how you make something that's been dead for 150 million years look like it's alive. This hall will look quite different when it reopens. The mounts overall will be much more lifelike. They'll represent behavior in a way that they haven't in the past. So I think it'll be a different kind of experience for visitors. In the big picture, this project is happening because museums like the Peabody remain really important. This is where scientists get together to tell stories to the wider world, and that's never been more important than it is now. That's what it's about, and so this is a chance for us to update all of that and get it right.